Namaste. Are you sure India is what you think? Let's find out. Hi, can you imagine that in India they are cooking 2 times a day, or sometimes they have also hot breakfast, so it makes it 3 times a day? In Gujarat climate is quite hot, so it's preferred to get freshly cooked meals. That is one of the reasons why women are at home here, because it's just hard to do housework. So, what about people who are working full time? I don't know how they are getting food. I guess they get food from outside only. And that I will do today. I didn't have time today to cook in the evening, so we will get food from outside for supper. Today we will visit the restaurant where they prepare Indian famous dish named Pav Bhaji. Let's go inside. They just opened the shop, so there are not many people in it. He has much veggies on the pan, probably already prepared for coming clients. Pav Bhaji contains many vegetables, mostly onion, tomatoes, capsicum, potatoes, cauliflower, carrots and green peas. All vegetables are cooked and smashed and eaten by puffy, soft bread named pav. I guess every recipe is little different. Who knows which ingredients they have here today? I hardly see anybody sitting inside in restaurant. People mostly buy it to go. They are packing someone's order. Okay, now my turn. I will make an order. Do pav bhaji. Do. Ha. No spicy. No chili. Okay. Acha. Acha.
Light. Medium.
बिल्कुल स्पाइसी नहीं नहीं चिली ओके दो ओके और दो पाव
Two extra.
The man who was taking order from me asked if I'm making any vlogs, so I guess we are getting new subscriber today. 230. Price was 230. But cashier took from me only 200. I don't know why, but nice. I always order little not spicy if they are able to make. I really can't take that spice. And they allowed me to go inside, so you will just see how they make my pav bhaji. So there are cooked vegetables. That pav means that kind of soft puffy bread. They are also packing for you cutted onions, cabbage and lemon pieces, and many people eat it together afterwards with that, or if there is too much spice in it, they put the lemon on that. Mera? Okay, we are going out. You see this traffic, now I have to go in that only. Lights are so long sometimes that you are able to make a call or check messages, or like me, just make video of myself. Okay, we got our food. We have something in the bag. Let's go. Time to repack the food at home. It's very common here to have metal dishes or metal glasses. Maybe it's easier to maintain it and nothing is gonna break. It is very tasty. I hope you will have occasion to try, or maybe you have tried it already. Let me know if you would like me to make it for you at home. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to not miss any other episode, and Incredible India again next week. Bye!